Coming up in this video, a contender for possibly the best ever blue cocktail that I've made on this channel. Welcome back, blue cocktail fans, and you must be fans if you're tuning in for this, because we love blue cocktails, don't we? There's something about it. Look, before we go any further, let's just take a minute to admire that in all its glory. Look at the colour of that. This is absolutely stunning. Love this cocktail. And blue cocktails, you know, they don't have to be sickly sweet and fun. Big shout out to brand new member, brand new legend, Carl Short. I picked his name, you know. I'll be honest, legends. Look, I'm just going to lay it out flat for you. I weren't overly impressed with the name suggestions for this cocktail. I really weren't. But I went with Carl. He's a newbie. Let's give him some love. And he called it Punch as Peach. Punch as Peach. So legends, work on your naming game, because I can't keep giving them all to Ross and Georgina. So up your games. Where do I start? There's peach notes coming through there in abundance. There is apricot notes coming through there in abundance. I've got little hints of tikiness coming through there. And you'll see the ingredient popping up there in a second. I just loved it. Honestly, that is a proper, I know it's blue. I know it's going to not be on proper cocktail bars menus, but it flipping well deserves to be. Well then, boys and girls, let's dive into making this one. Ingredients, blue stuff. Of course we've got blue stuff. I've got JJ's Peach and Apricot Vodka. Absolutely love that. If you're in the UK, I urge you to get that. It's one of my favourite of their flavours. Love it. Obviously, alternatives, plain vodka. Bit of Archers, you know, for the old peach flavours. For the apricot liqueur, where have we got? We've got Giffard. Obviously, most bowls, Giffard, all of them. Giffard have got a posh apricot and a normal apricot in that range as well. The Kuiper, whatever, if you want to go down that route. We've got Falernum, which is kind of like a tiki rum kind of ingredient, if you like. We've got limes, almond notes, ginger notes in there. It's a liqueur, 11% ABV, quite cheap as chips, but alcoholic. Well, I was going to say something else there, but I completely forgot what I was going to say. So there we go. I've got apricot syrup, I've got soda, and I've got lemon juice there. Right, let's dive in and do this. So, peach and apricot, JJ. I love this. This is one of my favourites out there. As you can see, look, the bottle's nearly gone. And I've had it, well, ignoring those two, I've had it the least amount of time. So, right, 45ml, 1.5 ounces of vodka. If you're going to do that, I would actually do 45ml of plain vodka and then 15ml of Archers or something like that to recreate that. We're going for this Falernum. Love it. I said I'd be rocking this out more, and I'm going to find uses for it. So 15ml, half an ounce of Falernum. I can't for the life of me think what I was going to tell you about it, but there we go. We've got some apricot syrup. Now, I just want 5ml, I just want a bar spoon, but this little bad boy, which will be available from Drink Stuff very, very soon. I'm reliably informed. That's why I kind of used it. For those eagle-eyed amongst you, so vast me, why have I got rid of my other jiggers? Because Drink Stuff will be starting to sell this in a bit. This way round. So I'm going for 5ml. This thing does go down to right down to, like, that's 2.5ml, but a bar spoon would be 5ml just there. So I'm going for a little bar spoon. There we go. How much? I've forgotten how much lemon juice I was going for. 15ml. There we go. Right. Less waffle, less bants. Let's crack on. Right. And then the final ingredient. And I should have done this first to kind of wash it all out, but I got all excited. About the vodka, didn't I? Right. And I'll go for 15ml of blue stuff. Blue Curacao. Look at the colour of that. Right. We're going to ice this up. Bit of splashback, and then we're going to give it a good old shake down. Hard, fast, proper welly. Right, you are going to be so impressed with this colour. Love blue cocktails, don't you? Love blue cocktails. Right, soda water. I'm going 30ml, 1 ounce of soda water. I don't want too much. Don't want too much, just a little bit of dilution, a little bit of gas, a little bit of fizziness. Right, glass-wise. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the colour of this? Are you ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that! Don't you want to go to the beach? And this, it doesn't look much, but I've done it on purpose because I love this kind of effect. We're going for crushed ice. Look at that. Bit of crushed ice there. And then just to garnish, I've got a couple of little pineapple things. And there we go. Job's a good one. Right, if you want even more blue cocktails, dive into one of those videos and playlists on screen there. As always, big thumbs up if you like me and the cocktail. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.